relaxation, exploration, history. At the Fairmont Mayakoba, you're right in the heart of Riviera Maya, where discovery comes naturally, and you can escape into a world of quiet contemplation. In the continuing spirit of excellence, we're embarking on a project to enhance the Fairmont Mayakoba's facilities. We've carefully planned our renovation to ensure nothing disrupts the tranquility of your stay, while we prepare for a new experience combining sustainability and luxury. A dip in Brisa's pool, a casual dinner on the sand of Brisa's rustic grill, a beach like no other, or relaxation with a view. We bring the elements of Mexico into every design, so you can connect with the wind, the land, and the water. Let your senses connect to the world outside. With 21 new green initiatives, we're committed to protecting and celebrating the world, so you can experience it. The Fairmont Mayakoba,